welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you guys this beautiful bestseller by Raquel Welch, and this is called Trendsetter. Now, this isn't a wig that I would typically gravitate to, but it is a bestseller, and it has been a bestseller by Raquel Welch for quite some time. And so I am quite happy and pleased to share this with you guys. I think that it is helpful to share various colors and styles with you guys so you can see what it looks like on, various heads, various face shapes, skin tones. So if this is helpful, please give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe. I hope that this helps somebody out there. So anyway, this is Trendsetter by Raquel Welch in the color SS Iced Cafe Latte, shaded iced cafe latte, blah, 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 I can't even talk, SS 9/24. I do love this color. It is a beautiful brunette. You have a root, you have a beautiful brown base, and then you have some gorgeous warm highlights. So let's talk about the color, and then we'll move into this gorgeous, cute pixie bob. I know that Frank and Kyle over there at Hair You Wear and Raquel Welch, they considered this kind of a shag. Some call it a bob. I kind of call it a pixie. So you tell me, what do you call it? Either way, it is very, very cute. So I don't know. This is described as an ashy medium brown base with cool blonde highlights and medium brown rooting. I can see how it might have like an ashy brown base. The blonde I thought looked a little warmer, but that could be my lighting. In certain lights, it might be a little cooler looking, and then you do have that brown root. Now in this wig, I do like the root, and I'll tell you why. This is your basic cap wig. What that means is it's all machine wefted, and I think that goes really well with this type of style because it has loads of volume. You have this really cute trendy bang, and so you don't need a lace front. It has these fantastic piecey areas by the ear tabs, so it just goes well with this type of cap construction because it gives this style lots of versatility, lots of ways to style, and just that added volume and ability to just lift at the roots. Now, the description is a mid-length shag, so let's do a full turnaround so you guys can see the flippy ends and the shaggy look from all angles. One thing that they suggested, that before you take this wig off, you give it a nice shake, and you're going to have a lot of lift at the roots. Or if you want a more smooth look, you can do that and have it flipped out just on the ends like that. Like I mentioned, you can do a lot with this hairstyle. Use some product, do a lot of different things to make it your own. If you do look at Raquel Welch in the model photos, they have it really pieced out on the ends, and that's really cute as well. It looks a little more edgy and defined. So like I mentioned, lots of versatility. And also, this is available in Trendsetter Elite with a monofilament top, just FYI. Now, this fiber is their Vibralite synthetic fiber. It is not heat friendly, so do be mindful of that. But it does look fantastic. This is worn straight out of the box today. I did add a little bit of product to give it some pieced out texture, but other than that, I have not done anything with this wig. This wig is part of the Raquel Welch signature collection, and this is an average size cap. Now, the funny thing is I feel like this average size cap on this particular style is a little bit more snug than some of the other styles that I wear in their average sizes. So, I mean, I don't know if this is just this particular wig, but that's what I'm feeling. I mean, it fits me really, really well, but what I do find is that most Raquel Welch wigs I have, they fit me like a glove, but this one is quite snug from front to nape and ear to ear. I would say it's more ear to ear where see if you can see that the ear to ear circumference doesn't hit quite as low as I typically like. So So like I mentioned, this is average in size, but I feel like it's a little bit more on the petite size in comparison to my other Raquel Welch average wigs. Now the density on this here style is considered light, but it has so much volume because it is a fully wefted wig. That means you have, all wefts, and you do have permatease throughout this style. I will show you guys the underside of the cap construction and some of that inner permatease, permalift in just a few. It is nice and light at 2.5 ounces. All right, let's take this off and show you guys the underside. So you do have this very comfortable velvety area at the hairline. You can see right here that you do have a little bit of permatease. This just gives it so much volume, and I do like that, darker root because of the volume and the lift and the permatease that you do have down in the deep roots of this style. But it just looks like, you have the most beautiful, volume with this flippy, gorgeous, fun style. Just this shaggy, fun, mid-length bob pixie, whatever you want to call it. Look at the way that it flips. It's just so cute. I do like the color. I like the blonde throughout this style as well. It really, the layers and the shag really highlights the blondes throughout this fun brunette shade. So you have a memory cap too, a memory cap that actually memorizes the shape of your head to give you the ultimate in light comfort and fit. This is open wefted. It's nice and breathable. You have great air ventilation. You do have like a more wefted ear tab, and then a very small wefted nape and some velvety area at the nape where you can adjust the wig and make it more secure. Okay, let's put this cutie back on. Also, having your basic cap wefted wig is going to make the price point more affordable. So that's something to think about as well. Isn't it cute? So cute. So the front of Trendsetter is 4.75 inches. Your crown is also 4.75 inches. The sides are 3.25 inches, and your back is also 3.25 inches. And lastly, your nape is 4 inches. What do you guys think about Trendsetter by Raquel Welch? What do you guys think about Trendsetter on me? I'd like to know your thoughts. You guys all know that I kind of gravitate towards your kind of like mid-length right here to longer styles. I like the waves. I like, kind of the sleek, layered look. But I do know that when I share a pixie, when I share more of a bob, I do get some feedback where people do appreciate that. So it's something that every now and then I do like to put out there. So let me know your thoughts, comment below. Give me a thumbs up if it's helpful to share these things. And please like and subscribe, like I mentioned. If you want to find Trendsetter, I will have links and things down below. Go follow Raquel Welch and Hair You Wear on their social media platforms. You can find these styles and many others at brick and mortar locations and online locations. Links and store locators will be down below. Thank you guys again for watching and for your support. I truly do appreciate it. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.